Hello, beautiful family. Una welcome back for my house. So now una get this. So una one and only town Pima, the only Pima will be recognized in Cyprus. I say, if your Pima be recognized for some city, live on no can't not even city for some country. That mean no your place day. Yes, your place is your place. Do it. Day. Yes, my country people. I say, be my Pima not ever taste so because if Pima not taste, a whole country not go recognize them. They no give you galon. They no give you. I say, me town Pima no ever taste so. My country people say the town Pima no be na year. Yes, I say no be na year. And I say even in my big nose no. Yes, my people. I just love you guys back to back. I said the way they sub the increase. I keep on increasing. You guys should keep on coming like that every single blessed day. Yes, my people. Wait till we get today for our house. Now, no say I don't enter small business. No, I do a buyer. At the end of this video, I'm going to put some pictures, some video for you guys to see the abaya. So we do last. That's original, good quality, nice. When you order, when you place your order for that abaya, no, you confirm which way I talk. No, say no time for over talk something because when over talk they say you just like nah, no time for over talk yes. But once you make know they were abaya the air, you get quality abaya as in quality. That's man. No, in fact, man for that place. Yes, my people. Yes, so. I don't come. When I see this our blow up, so all we go there okay for the blow up. Like seriously, all we go do it, all we go there okay. I'm not gonna play the thing for talk. I want to give now just some 1 point. So yesterday for travel with Grandve is show. My friend make no money say Grandve and that gateway that's in know how for pala with we for this media. It makes a striking statement yesterday, and I be know very well say that particular statement where it make it will cause havoc for media, and it's happening already. It's happening already. It talks say social media pressure. It don't put it for wahala. It don't make it don't born picking way. If you take care for picking, if even buy diapers for picking. Some people there they don't carry them for their head like face cap. See, so when I feel say that play in the day, so that picking it lack diapers, it lack milk. No. If una no know, make una know today. Even if they no get 5 francs, even if you no get kobo, that picking get a monthly allowance where they pay because she is what? She is an Italian. That picking get a monthly allowance. Even for them as suffer Cyprus. You born, you not get kobo. Government takes care of you. They take care for that picking, buy that picking, every that picking they get they get monthly allowance. We go take care for that picking from the time when that money enter your hand till the end of the month. Even if within the month that money finish, you get right for apply. You get right for apply for money. So when the don't cash, they talk that it's some of them don't carry up. Any man don't go to a platform. Hey, social media don't put in the for wahala. Social media don't put in the for one chance. Papa got see those of you know that never think the she like talk carry anyway. She's a content creator, so we all have the right to take her content and deal with. We all will get right for take that content. But I want to make a mona no say. That talk we talk no. It throw on the phone and I know that don't take a don't fall on top. Who tell us that pikin no get diapers? Who tell us that pikin did suffer? Papa go tell the media. Even people the way they even know how Europe they work. They stood then to the second stand. They talk say me granders they contribute money buy diapers for pikin. No but the same granders they talk say means if she like put basket for baby Paris. Una can carry and talk say, hey, pikin no be na go for me pikin I say social media wahala oh. Mama, Papa God, I beg ma still remind una that Pekin, the princess of all, Princess Paris. Who tell una say the Pekin no get diapers? Papa God, you like for John Walker, just set people that confusion. You just like for just set people that confusion. Nah, any money now for your own, for, I say all channel they now. Baby Paris not get diapers. Grandma say, una go contribute buy diapers. Voila. I say, if for my suffer country, what they, my Cyprus, what they, with my Pima, they all corner, Papa got it. Then they pay picking them. They are paying for kids. So when you talk that if una like, una not get sense for una head. Una not get sense for una head. Una carry them. Una they talk about it. Ndivya back. No stop, no stop. Consider for the kid they talk them. Consider for the kid they talk them. Mood the way mood the take them. And for those of you that people say Ndivya na who for the give for the analyze for marriage, we never married. If you not remember well, that when Ndivya be bring for some months back, it be bring out documents them for where that Bridget Fufukon because she say he born picking Kwaram. That day when Ndivya bring out those documents them. That day, it show a married certificate. If you not be take note, you go back, go watch that video. It show them. That mommy way, the mommy by mistakenly key it picking. Now that mommy so he adopt Ndivya. Now from the way that day way they married, you go back, go watch that video. You go back, go watch that video. You go see and hear it what they talk. Sometimes I say when you used to just pretend. We didn't know the truth, but we just want to pretend. We no want to accept no this thing this way not true. No, but it's not correct. So it's not correct. Actually, we get if something then a white more accepting a white, if not black more accepting a black. They don't married since time way that woman be by mistakenly keen the Veshila e picking. They don't married since that time. Yes. Now say when I know as how they know. Now best major life will just do it in the molo. Just it like for live a cool life. Yes, just put everything underground. Now so it day. So it when I talk so if you just also now just wait, una go see the two go bring again next time. Now don't hear the already talk no. Anybody go bring out that picture. For those of you that the talk say never married. Now don't hear no. Una don't hear. And if una want really be sure say not true, una go back for that a previous video. That time with Bridget Fufu come because she say he born picking Kwaram. Una go see the document for the where be show am. Where it be sure for day. So nothing that way don't happen. As how all we were wanting them, now only Palawa for say no, which is not good. It not be correct. Now it don't be done as say it do baby Paris not get that diapers. Because don't can't say baby Paris not get diapers. I beg, I don't people laugh here. I don't people laugh. Point of correction, guys. Mona no say no. That Pekin get a monthly allowance. The mommy get a monthly allowance. The papa get a monthly allowance. I hope so not the year. They won't even talk. I didn't even go say whether they work or they need the work. I want you to tell them the way it happen for that particular diversion. Like this, you back for job maker, people just scatter their head. Me on my nang head for such for this media they go. Now wait to be a problem. But anyway, if you know we talk, so we'll not forget him for talk about. We'll not forget him for talk about. Yes, keep on doing it. Keep on doing it, okay? More just the do so, they go, more just the talk, they follow you for back, so they talk, they go. Now you don't talk, now people they don't understand, they don't carry on. People they don't understand, they don't carry on now for their head, they talk. As how baby Paris not get diapers, baby Paris not get chop. Social media don't pull you for one chance. Can you listen? Even if the media put for one chance, that Pekin get a monthly allowance. I go still sing them from now till that Pekin get a monthly allowance where that money they take care for everything that she needs. Even for them must suffer country what they do. Yes. Now so anyone want take her if you don't want take her live am because my pima this I don't hang her. I said this Pima team find me that the best name that ever, which is Town Pima. It be easy for somebody to recognize your Pima for some town, for some country. My country people want live on a first more so, at least enjoy enjoyment, okay? Yeah, but I just want to know, no, baby Paris is not suffering. She has a monthly allowance. Where they give her for them. So no the anyway na content yella and keep it up, keep it up. Yes, ma leave una so for this moment, but before they go, I go just leave a small video. Muna check out the abayas the way it is. That una go contact me, but not forgetting that we'll get na quality abayas. I mean, as in quality abayas. Now they my town people, so it don't make and so I don't get this business for. Abeko, una tap me for back for the abaya. Let the industry grow. Me the grow. Yes. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Back to back.
Hajaria. Very, very beautiful abaya. Beautiful abaya. Models with different design. Oh, I come. How much you give me for one piece? 1 piece 60 naira. No, Mafi. Love this red one. Love this one, yeah. Love this one. Oh, I come. How much you give me for one piece? 1 piece 60 naira. No, Mafi. Love this red one. Love this one, yeah. Love this one.